In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to mark as unread in Gmail. This is a very simple Gmail feature, but it can be incredibly useful when you want to come back to an email later and make sure it still stands out in your inbox. Marking an email as unread is a great way to remind yourself that it still needs attention, even if you've already opened it. To begin, go to your Gmail inbox. Make sure you're on the main inbox view where you can see your list of emails. If Gmail is already open, you can simply navigate back to the inbox so all your recent messages are visible. This is important because the option we're using appears directly from the email list, which makes the process quick and convenient. Once you're in your inbox, find the email that has already been read and that you want to mark as unread. When you locate it, move your mouse pointer over that email without clicking to open it again. As you hover over the message, Gmail will reveal a set of quick action icons on the right side of that email row. Look for the envelope icon with a small dot on it. When you hover over that icon, you should see a label that says mark as unread. That label helps confirm that you found the correct option. Go ahead and click that icon. As soon as you click it, Gmail will change the status of that message from read to unread. You'll usually notice the email becomes more visually prominent in your inbox, often appearing bold again, which makes it easier to spot later. That's Gmail's way of showing that the message now needs attention, just like a newly received email. This method is especially helpful if you open an email too early, read something important that you can't respond to right away, or simply want to leave yourself a visual reminder without using stars or labels. It's fast, clean, and built right into the inbox view. And that's all there is to it. Open your Gmail inbox, hover over the email you want to change, and click the envelope icon with the dot to mark it as unread. It only takes a second, and it can really help you stay organized and avoid forgetting important messages.